So if you ever want to travel back in time, then you need to see this new AI filter. So Google's new Art Selfie 2 AI filter allows someone to take a selfie and then transport themselves back to the historical time period. So let me show you how to create these AI photos on Google. So before you begin, first go to your App Store. Here you're searching for Art Selfie. Now in the search results, you're looking for this app here, Google Arts and Culture. So go ahead and download this app. Once you've downloaded this app, go ahead and open the app. And now using this app here, you'll be able to create selfies and transport yourself into the historical time. So here on the front page, you'll see this new Art Selfie 2. So go ahead and tap on that. So now here, this will ask you to take a selfie of yourself. Now once that's done, you want to scroll down and pick a style to remix your selfie with. So you have a wide variety of artwork here. So let's look at the Italian Renaissance. So let's try that. So this will basically take your selfie and we'll try to create an art similar to the topic which you have chosen. And there you go. Now, if you like it, you can go ahead and download this. If you don't like it and you want to retake your selfie, go ahead and tap on this camera icon here and retake your selfie. So there you go. That is how to take historical selfies using the Art Selfie 2 filter on Google. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.